Just the stars. We had a good run. Don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah.
Hey my loves, hey, hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm just installing this hair. It is synthetic hair, it's not human hair. The difference between synthetic and human hair is that human hair is more real and softer and feels like real human hair, and synthetic hair is just an imitation of that, so it doesn't last as long as real hair. Anyways, here I'm starting by just fixing my cornrows, making sure that my edges are laid up, and I'm just putting on my wig cap. So in this video we are trying this thing together, guys. I'm no pro, I'm not perfect in this, but yeah, let's do it together. So I'm just applying my press on powder on the wig cap, just to make sure that it kind of does match my skin. Okay, so I did push the wig cap a bit back, so that the wig could the front of the wig could look more natural, if I'd say that. And yeah, there is my wig, y'all. I was really trying to be brave with this color, and I actually did enjoy it, surprisingly. I thought I wouldn't like it. Anyways, that's just the front of the wig. As you can see, the lace, it's a 180 degrees lace, and you can see the knots. It does look bleached. I didn't have to bleach it, and it has the elastic band, which helps it stick more into your hair. And yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. Oh my goodness, I love it already. You can see, look at the lace, y'all. Like it's kind of like blending in with the skin already. Like there's not much that you need to do on it. And yeah, so now I'm just preparing to put on my glue on the hair, and before I do that, I'm just cutting the baby hairs, and yeah. So now I go ahead and cut the lace, yeah, just from ear to ear. As I mentioned, the lace is a full frontal, 180 degrees full frontal. Then I'm just taking it off, just to make sure that I cut it well, off camera. Sorry, not off camera, but like make sure that I see what I'm doing. Okay, and then while it's off, I just put on my foundation on the lace, just to make sure that the lace does match with my skin tone. So I'm just using the foundation that I used on my face, and there it is. It matches my skin tone. So right now I'm using my hair serum. It's almost water based, it's not that much oily, just to give the hair a bit of shine. And then after that, I use my hot comb to straighten the hair more. Since it is synthetic hair, the temperature of the heat should not be too high. Yeah, so yeah, I just straightened that up, and now it's ready to be put on my hair. And yeah, so the wig does come with an elastic band, as well as those things like those things you use on a bra to adjust it. So I use those to make sure that the wig sits tight on my hair, and and as you can see, it is actually like sitting very tightly on my hair, and I love it. So now I'm just preparing to put glue on the hair. Just at this point, I was not even sure if I want to keep the baby hairs. So, anyways, I'm just preparing to put the glue, and I'm using my G2B glue. And yeah, I'm just applying that all over, around where the lace is going to sit.
What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Don't mind me, I'm just taking a picture for my thumbnail. Oh, content, y'all, content. So anyways, I was also just waiting for my glue to dry up, and off which it has now, and I'm just layering the wig where I have the glue on, and just wait for it to sorry, not wait for it, but like press on it to stick on. You can use an elastic band, yeah, but I did not use one at this point, and I regret not using one. I think it's very important to not skip that step, but I think I didn't use one because I knew I was just going to go ahead with my hair dryer and blow dry it. So if you don't have one, it's not a train smash, you can still go away with it, but if you do have one, please kindly do use one. I'm just waiting for the glue to stick on, and now I'm using my dryer just to really lay the lace and kind of melt it into my skin and dry the glue. And once again, the heat or temperature of the heat is not that warm. You can maybe just use the first option. It's usually number one. It's usually not that hot. Just to make sure that you protect the hair. And once again, this is synthetic hair. It might be different on human hair, but on synthetic hair you cannot use that much heat.
Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye.
So now I go ahead again with my hot brush. So I decided not to use the baby hairs, but I didn't want to cut them all out, of which I regret not doing that because I didn't really like how they were sticking out. Yeah, but I didn't cut them out because I thought maybe in future I will need to use it. And I'm using the hot brush, and you can see the hot comb, sorry, you can see the difference it's making already on the hair. I really love it, and at this point you can't even like really tell that this is not human hair. You still look good, but under a budget. And who said you can't look good when you're under a budget, child? Yeah, guys, I really like this hair, to be honest. I am also using a hot iron and my hot iron cannot be you cannot adjust the temperature. It was quite hot and the hair is not melting or anything, which means it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. So I really do recommend synthetic hair. But if you do have your coins, child, to go for human hair, then I would recommend that you go for that rather. But if you are under a budget, you can definitely go for synthetic hair. You'll still get the look at a budget. So yeah, let's just finish off the look. At this point I was really feeling hot. It was such a hot day, but there you go. There's the hair. I must say I love the hair. If you want to plug yourself with the hair, I got this hair from Alibaba. The store name is Charisma, and I really had a great experience with them. I don't want to lie, the response was great, and yeah, and also the time it took to arrive to me, it was 1 week and just a few days. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day further. Bye.
Forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt.